Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you guys how to turn any mesh or model into a working NPC for game developers, okay, in RS Studio. Kasi last time my video got taken down because TikTok thought it was for exploiting, which is not. So kailangan ko talaga isabi yun. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, first, you guys need to find a free 3D model or pwede rin bumili kayo. And right now, I need a foot model kasi nag-comment sa video ko that I should add a foot. So, let's add that. Okay, first download the model that you want. Pero actually, you could actually just get the provided models nandun na sa RS Studio. So, let's do that. So, here we have the foot. And first, we're gonna need to group this into a model. After that, rename the